Fuck, you got a lot of water, Charles.
Once we get around the corner of it, we should be almost alright. I'm pretty sure this is right where Harry.
Propeller's still there. Are we going behind you, Dad?
Like push the roof up and then the back wall went. So we had to put a new back wall in. We had to redo all this, fix up the roof. The roof was all overlook, clear light. We had another door there, but we changed it all so then we could come out one door into the fridge. Started opening it up, trying to grow natives and stuff, poachers.
This is the shanty. We've stayed the night here in 2004 when we were kids. Wood burning stove, bunch of bunks, and he was just laying out some rat baits to clear out the house, sealing up gaps. This was my bunk, because I'm tall and I need extra leg room. He's getting it ready for the duck season coming up. They stay out here for about 2 weeks. Shower, running water. Hot water is from the wood burning stove. And it's a really cool place. And this is the hot water tank the pipes run through the wood burning stove. Back from that adventure, now we're off to dive for green-lipped mussels. They took me down to one of their best kept spots where there was hundreds, if not thousands of them, about 10 foot deep. The water was around 70 degrees, the warmest it gets all year. And I didn't know how they even, I guess, grew. They're growing on these rocks that are under the water. And you dive down, grab a handful, and pull them up. It's like they rip off the rock.
A little bit of mussels.
Pretty sweet.
Apparently green tip mussels have a lot more nutrients.
Between the 5 of us, we got about 80 of them. Time to eat.
How much do you think those houses go for?
Was it empty?